Welcome to this sacred moment, carved hour of time, just for you. There is nowhere else you need to be, no one you need to become. Right now, in this breath, you are enough. Gently bring your awareness inside, away from the noise of the day, and into the quiet rhythm of your own presence. Notice your breath without changing it, just observing its natural flow in and out. Now, softly focus on your forehead. Let the skin there become smooth. The space between your eyebrows softens. Your eyelids rest, heavy but relaxed. Release your jaw. Unclench your teeth. Let your tongue float in your mouth. Your throat is open, soft. Now, in your mind's eye, I invite you to a secret place, a lake at twilight. The air is warm. The sky is painted in soft lavender and gold. And the water is perfectly still, like a mirror of liquid glass. This lake is you. Beneath its surface, deep down, there is no darkness, only a radiant crystal of golden light, softly pulsating. This is your true self, your deepest wisdom, always peaceful, always whole. And now, any worry, any anxious thought, see it as a single autumn leaf, gently falling onto the surface of this lake. It floats, and without effort, the current carries it away. You are not your thoughts. You are the still, deep water and the vast sky that watches over them. Now, softly bring one hand to your heart and the other to your belly. Feel the warmth. This is your aliveness. This is your safety. Let me whisper a truth into the depths of your being. Repeat silently with me 3 times. I do not seek outside myself. Everything I need is already here. I am safe. I am whole. I do not seek outside myself. Everything I need is already here. I am safe. I am whole. here. I am safe. I am whole. Anytime you feel lost in the world, remember this lake. Remember the golden light in your core. It is always here. You just forgot. Begin to gently bring your awareness back to the room, to your body. Keep this deep peace with you, like a secret gift. Wiggle your fingers, your toes. Take a deep, full, life-affirming breath in. And as you exhale, if it feels right, let the corners of your lips curl into a soft smile. When you are ready, open your eyes, seeing the world through the eyes of your awakened self. You are peace. You are presence. Go gently through your day. Notice the stillness within you, the softness, the presence, the calm. This peace was never outside of you. It has always lived quietly beneath the surface, waiting to be remembered. And anytime the world pulls you away from yourself, you can return here. Thank you for sharing this moment with me. Until next time.